Sick of posting videos with 0 views? Want to monetize your YouTube channel in just 30 days, from scratch? Let's break it down, step by step. No fluff. No waiting. Just pure growth. Step 1, pick a niche that prints views, forget random uploads. Pick a niche that's exploding. AI hacks. Viral facts. Faceless finance. You need high demand, low noise, and content people binge. Step 2, set your channel up like a pro. No blurry icons. No boring banners. Your profile needs to scream your niche. Write a bold about section packed with keywords. Make YouTube and your viewers know what you're about. Step 3, post shorts like your life depends on it. YouTube Shorts equals exposure cheat code. Post 3 to 5 per week. Use hooks like "Would you rather?" This will blow your mind. 99% don't know this. Subtitles. Music. Speed. Shock. Hook fast or lose them. Step 4, long form equals watch time equals monetization. You want to get paid? You need 4,000 hours. Shorts won't get you there alone. Drop one long form video a week. 5 to 8 minutes. Real value. Clear topic. High retention. Step 5, titles, thumbnails, and SEO magic. Your title should punch. Thumbnail should scream. Description? Act with keywords. Your content has to look clickable before it's even watched. Step 6, engage. Hard. Reply to every comment. Ask questions. Pin the best replies. Use polls in your community tab. Turn your viewers into a tribe, and the algorithm will reward you. Step 7, don't wait to monetize, earn now. Affiliate links? Drop them. Gumroad? Launch something simple. WAP? Set up an offer. You can start making money before you hit 1,000 subs. Follow these 7 moves for 30 days, and watch what happens. This isn't magic. This is method. Like, subscribe, and let's get you monetized. Fast.